How is a floor system installed in an ICF wall? I'll show you one way. It's called the Simpson Ledger System, at least that's what I'm calling it. So I'll show you the various pieces and then how it goes together. This is the Simpson ICF VL6, ICF VL6. It is cast into the wall, as you can see here. Before we pour, we're cutting a couple grooves, sliding it in, and this grabs into the concrete once the pour is made. This is flush with the surface, as you see there. After the pour is done, you can see the way this homeowner did it. Everybody will do a little different, so this is not one we installed the floor on. So the homeowner's doing this one, but he put up these blocks right there and there to set his ledger on to height. And then you come back in with this bracket, which is the ICF VL CW. You might have a -W that's 1.5 inches wide here to fit a standard 2x, or the CW stands for composite wood, ICF VL/CW. Anyways, that is clipped under, or over the ledger, as you see here. And then Simpson also supplies these screws. They call them the D3 screw. They're a self-tapper. And those are screwed in through all these holes and into this plate. Now, for whatever reason, homeowner's not here this morning, but they had that ledger up and they took it down, so you can see all the holes in there. It's actually kind of a unique opportunity to see how it goes there. Once that ledger is in place, in this case, he's using floor trusses, and there's lots of ways to skin a cat, but they got the ledger up. They used a top cord bearing floor truss, so it just sits right on top of the ledger there. That's an LVL ledger, so a 1 3/4 inch bearing. Just sits right on top, and then looks like they're nailed or screwed in here to the sides. Floor trusses have lots of benefits. I really enjoy using them. We can fit our HVAC inside and plumbing and wiring. This square opening that you're looking at is called the duct chase. So every run is going to have a duct chase somewhere that typically needs to be in the middle third, is my understanding. But talk with your truss engineer. Now on this one, we want to eliminate the truss, or we can eliminate the floor truss that normally would go right alongside the wall, because what we want to do is tie the subfloor into the side walls as well. That makes that wall a structural unit from the footing up to the floor system. If we don't tie the subfloor in to the wall, then this wall basically is a little more than freestanding all the way up 3 stories, which would not be strong enough. So what we're doing then is we're going to nail the subfloor OSB into the top of this ledger, and that will structurally tie it in to the subfloor diaphragm and create a much stronger building.